12 weeks
Exactly.
it took for one particular woman to turn her entire world around. And this is a sports athletic sort of feel to it.
Good transition. Thank you, Stacey.
Yeah, right.
Nice and smooth there. Wasn't your fault. Anyway, moving on here. It's the focus of a special segment in tomorrow's Daily Herald. Lisa Notarnicola shed 42.5 pounds, or 23% of her body weight. She was one of 5 contestants in the Fittest Loser Challenge. And this morning, health and fitness reporter Bob McCoppin joins us to talk about the experience for these 5 contestants. Bob, nice to have you here.
Good morning.
So this was something that the Daily Herald did, an entire contest, if you will, right?
Yeah, it was a 12-week weight loss contest sponsored by the Herald and Live Well magazine and Push Fitness. And they provided trainers for 12 weeks for 5 contestants and ran them through the mill 3 times a week, an hour each day. And the contestants then worked out on their own 3 or 4 times a week doing cardio. And the results they got were just amazing.
Well, tell us about the winner, because it sounds like you had several success stories, but the woman who won was a police officer.
Yeah, Lisa Notarnicola is a police officer for Hoffman Estates. She used to be a patrol officer. She's now the community relations officer, does drug resistance programs with kids. And she lost 42 pounds in 12 weeks,
That's
which
amazing.
is almost a fifth of her body weight.
Yeah. We're looking at some video here right now. It doesn't seem like there are any great secrets to this success. It's dedication and really watching what you eat, right? I mean, what were the keys here for each of these people who were successful?
Right. Well, the Push Fitness trainers say that eating is actually like 70% of losing weight, and 30% is working out. They work them out hard.
Right.
So they have this strict diet that you have to follow, and they give them a food journal to keep, and they give them a book that counts calories, tells you how much calories are in every type of food.
Yeah.
And they said it made a big difference to write down every bite you eat. It makes you really keep track of it. And so they ate, low carb, mainly chicken and fish with vegetables, and a very healthy diet.
You look like a pretty strict diet, I gotta say.
Yes.
Yeah, but they were never hungry because they were eating 3 meals a day plus 2 snacks a day. So you never get over hungry and eat too much.
You can stick with it. All right, Bob, thank you for being with us. And you can see the full story from Bob McCoppin in the Monday Health and Fitness section of the Daily Herald.